How to download and install Google Chrome on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and install Google Chrome on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you don't have Google Chrome, you will have Microsoft Edge by default on your Windows device. So open up your Microsoft Edge. And on your Microsoft Edge, what you'll need to search for is Google Chrome download. So search for Google Chrome download. There we go. And on Google Chrome download, you will see Google Chrome's website where you can download Google Chrome. Tap on it and open that up. After you tap on it, this page should open up right here. So let it load. And there you'll see download Chrome. Simply tap on download Chrome. You will see it's for Windows and it's going to take some time to download depending on your internet speed. So while that downloads, you guys can see what you'll need to do after the download completes. So there are 3 steps. One is open up your download exe file, this one. Then tap on allow yes. Then tap on install. Do that and you'll have installed Google Chrome. Now I already have Google Chrome, so I won't be doing the same process again. But all you have to do is open up the exe file, give your Google installer permission, then it'll automatically install. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.